Yes. Big circle. Everyone take this big circle and fold it into half like this and make a semicircle. Very good. Everyone fold it like this. Made a semicircle and keep it like this. Very good. Now take another circle and we are going to stick this circle on the top of this semicircle. So this is our pig's face. Okay? So stick it like this. Stick it, very good. Paste it and put your both hands and count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Now see, it's dry. Done till here, everyone? Done till here? Now take these two triangles. Take these two triangles. We are going to make pig's ear like this. So we have to stick it like this. Back side of this circle. On the top, back side of this circle. Okay? Done till here, everyone? Should I move to another step? Should I move to another step? Now take this oval shape. Oval shape, and this is our pig's mouth. Okay? So we are going to stick pig's mouth like this. Can you see? Here, down of this circle, here. So take a glue, a Fevicol and stick it. Very good, everyone. Ajay, do it. Done till here? Now, what is left? We have to make pig's leg. Right? So take these two legs. You got. And now we are going to make pig's leg. So you have to stick like this. Inside, from the inside of this circle. See, you have to stick inside front. दिस सेमी सर्कल में फ्रंट जो इनसाइड पार्ट है वहां पे आपको स्टिक करना है. ओके, लाइक दिस. जस्ट ओपन दिस सर्कल एंड स्टिक हियर. Done till here? Now something is missing. Do you know what? Something is missing. Who will tell me? So we have to make pig's eyes and nostrils, right? So take a black marker. Take a black marker and draw 2 circles. Like this, we are going to make 2 eyes. Okay? After eyes, you need to make 2 nostrils like this. जो pigs का mouth है, उसके वहाँ पे we have to make 2 this oval shape, okay, nostrils. Now see, my pig is ready. My mama pig is ready. Yes? Very good, Sammy. Very good, Shiven. Very good, Mivan. Ajay, show me yours. Everyone show me yours. Very nice. Great. Wow, it's too good.